Assalamu alaikum students. Now we will do the activity pages of unit number 7, that is Flintstones. First of all, I would like to give you the task that you have to do in your homework. The task is you have to draw the picture of a Stone Age car and a Stone Age house in your rough copies. Like in that copy in which you are doing your all English assignments, then you will have to draw these two pictures. One is a Stone Age car and the other is a Stone Age house. Okay students, we will start our activity, that is exercise number A. Answer the questions. You have to write the answers on books. Question number 1 is name the members of the Flintstone family. So you have just tried to name the members of the family. Then second question is name the members of the Rubel family. So these two were the families and you have to write the names of their family members. Then question number 3, when did people first come to Ireland? So this was the very simple answer. In the last in the last of the page it's written the answer. Then question number 4, name something that was built during the Stone Age. So this is again very easy answer. You have to write the name of that thing which was built in Stone Age. Question number 5, what did people hunt in the Stone Age? Very much easy question. What did they hunt? So you have to write the answer of that. Then we have read, think, pick. Ring the correct two words in each line. First one is done for you. Fred lived in. Where did Fred live? Bungalow, bedrock, tent, apartment, or a stone house? So two rings are already done for you. That is, Fred lived in bedrock in a stone house. Then second is Fred traveled by stone car, train, foot, spaceship, or bicycle. So obviously they traveled in stone car with the help of their foot. So you have to ring these two options, stone car or foot, and the rest of are very easy. So you will do it at your as your homework. Then exercise C is imagine. So you will imagine these things and you will draw the pictures of the things which is demanded by you. Like number 1 is starter. You have to draw the picture of starter. Then number 2 is main course. So you will draw the main course. Then dessert. After that we have again an exercise of verb. What is verb? Verb is an action or doing word. Whatever you do or whatever you perform and which shows the action, that is called as verb. Underline the verbs in each sentence. Noreen talked to the manager. So in the first line we are shown that Noreen is talking. She talked to a manager. So talked is a verb. Similarly, you have to underline the verbs in the rest of the sentences. Like number 2, Louise posted the letter last week. So posted is the verb. Then we have exercise B. Finish the sentences using a verb in the past tense. You have to write the verb but in the past tense with the second form of verb, like the dog barked all night long. So this was the past participle of the word bark. Then the children dashed the game. Children played the game. Played, played the game. Then the rest are up to 8 are very easy, so you will do it. After that there is the exercise. Underline the verb in each sentence. Take true or false. So you have to underline the verb and then check whether the sentence matches with the picture or not. If it matches, then you have to tick. If it does not match, you have to cross the sentence. After that we are having word study, comprehension. Find the words in the list that mean the opposite of those in the table. Again you people are having words opposite, so you have to fill this table with the opposites of the word, like first, last, popular, unpopular, and so on. Then exercise B, vocabulary. Use a rhyming word to complete each sentence properly. We always meet at the end of the. So what will be the rhyming word with the meet? So I will do it for you. We always meet at the end of the street. The boy did not know how to. So you may write any word which goes as a rhyming word with the word know. The boy did not know how to show. The old tree stump looked like a lump. She bought a new gown in the shop in the town. I love the thrill of skating on a hill. I did it for you because it's like a little bit tricky. So these rhyming words you have to write it. Then we have word structure. You write words that begin with the same letter. It is very easy exercise. You have to write words which start with the letter FL. One is done for you and the rest of will be done by you. Then descriptors. Choose two words from the list to complete each sentence. Again, you people are having fill in the blanks and you have to choose two words to complete the sentence. After that, we are having teaser time. The words Flintstones has a code. Using this code, find these hidden words. So this is very interesting exercise. I hope you will find it very easy. After that, we are having checkup on page number 38. Vocabulary. Write the words that match the descriptions. So you will write all the words which start with the alphabet G. First one is happy or pleased. So the word is gay. G-A-Y, gay. It means you are happy or pleased. A very strong wind. That is called gale. Then the other are also very easy. Then we have words beginning with H. Can be curly or straight. So it's your hair. Hair are curly or straight. Opposite to sad. Opposite to sad is happy. Then you are having again true and false. So after that we are having underline two verbs in each sentence. Sarah laughed when the clown fell. So we are having two verbs in each sentence. You have to underline it. First one is laughed and fell. These two are the verbs. Exercise D, proofing. Underline the 10 errors and write the correction above the error. Again, you people have to underline the wrong words or errors and you have to write on the top of these words. So this was the end of our lesson. I hope you people found these lessons very easy and convenient for you, and you people will do it very neatly and nicely. Thank you so much for your time.